day, classmates. So my name is Noriel Balanban from Group 3. So our report is about the termination of probation. The term termination means ending, satisfaction, or completion. So how does probation end? There are two ways of terminating probation. The first one is after a period of probation with satisfactory compliance with the condition of probation. So meaning, kapag na-satisfy mo yung lahat ng condition ng probation mo, pwede ka nang pwede nang ma-terminate yung probation mo. And the second one is the other ways of terminating probation. So this is based on Article 12, Section 60 of the Omnibus Rules on Probation Methods and Procedures. So these are the grounds. The first, yung sinabi ko kanina, successful completion of probation. Second is, so sa probation revocation, which is nasa Section 60, in-specify lang itong tatlong requirements dun sa Section 49, namely yung nature, character, and designation of violations, specific acts, place, date, and time of commission. So kapag sinubmit ng probation officer sa trial court yung violation report, i-review ngayon ng trial court, and then kapag nakita na may violate ka nga dun sa terms ng probation mo, pwedeng mag-issue yung judge ng warrant of arrest, and then babalik ka sa kulungan and isi-serve mo yung remainder ng original sentence mo sa kulungan na yun, hindi na sa as probation. So kapag ang probation is once lang pwedeng ma-avail, and kapag na-revoke na with final judgment, hindi na siya pwedeng i-appeal, pero pwede ka lang mag-file ng pwede kang mag-file ng petition for certiorari. Yung petition for certiorari means iaakyat mo siya sa review courts, para namely yung Court of Appeals and Supreme Court. So sila yung magre-review kung tama ba yung decision ng trial court na i-revoke yung probation mo based dun sa mga sinubmit ng probation officer na ito nga, yung mga nature, specific acts, etc. Yun. Next is the death of the probationer. So ito, hindi na yata kailangan ng ibang paliwanag, kasi kapag namatay yung probationer, wala nang magsaserve ng sentence, so parang useless na siya. And kasi in terms of logistics, parang mas makakaabala ka kapag inano mo, kapag patuloy mong, kapag hindi binura yung records kahit na patay na siya, kasi kailangang i-meet ng probation officers yung probationer regularly para i-check yung lifestyle, yung mga ganun. Next is early termination of probation. Ito naman, makikita siya sa Section 55 ng Omnibus Rules on Probation. So ito yung mga qualified for termination of probation via early termination. So number one, those suffering from serious physical and mental disability. Ito yung mga blind, deaf, mute, mga ganun, yung mga bedridden. Second is those who do not need further supervision, provided they have served 1/3 of the probation period imposed. So ito yung mga taong hindi na kailangang bantayan, pero kailangang i-serve nila yung 1/3 ng probation period nila. So kung example, yung binigay na probation period sa'yo is 2 years. Ang 1/3 nun is 8 months. Kailangan mong iserve yung 8 months bago ka ah, mag-apply for early termination. Pero kailangan mo ulit satisfy yung mga conditions. Kailangan consistent and kailangan merong consistent and religious compliance to the conditions of probation, positive response to the program, significant improvements in their social and economic life, clean record while under probation, improvement in their outlook in life, and significant growth in self-esteem, self-discipline, and self-fulfillment. So itong mga to, parang gusto yung mga kung naging productive ka ba sa buhay, kailangan yung ganun. Yung parang nagbago ka na. Yun. Next is those who are traveling abroad for job, scholarship, which is not less than 6 months, immigration, and then those who are taking bar and board exams. And lastly, yung other probationers with the same circumstances. Yun. And then ito other last last ground for termination of probation is yung other analogous cause or causes on a case-to-case basis recommended by the probation officer and approved by the trial court. So example nito is kunwari ito pandemic. So yun nga bawal yung face-to-face yung face-to-face na contact. So pwedeng i-consider yun ng probation officer and i-recommend na i-terminate termination yung i-recommend for termination yung probation mo. Pero kailangan pa rin i-review ng trial court at siya rin yung mag-approve. Other topics, ito, Section 61, Termination Report. Ito, it is to be submitted by the city and provincial parole and probation officer 30 days before the expiration period of probation to the trial court. Ito, isasubmit sa 30 days before expiration. So meaning ito is para dun sa first ground which is yung completion of probation. Yun. And then, yung nasa loob ng termination report is yung brief personal circumstances of the probationer, brief criminal circumstances of his case, prescribed probation treatment and supervision program, probationers respond to the treatment, recommendation to discharge the probationer. Yan, next. Ito, final discharge. Ito naman, i-issue ng judge after nung expiration na. Whether yung original na probation period or kung na-extend man. Yan. Last. Ito, termination order. Sa termination order, ito yung parang order ng judge dun sa probation officer na parang graduate ka na ng probation. And both probationer and yung probation officer is makakatanggap ng copies nito. And after official receipt ng termination order by the probation officer, i-close na niya yung probation case and then i-archive niya yung probation records mo. Yun lang. Thank you.